guys, how are you? This is Tech Tip channel. Today I am going to show you how you can merge partition. So click on search, type disk management. Here you can see the option read and format hard disk partition. Click on it. This management has opened. Now I'm going to do merge F partition with G partition. So here is a G partition which is empty, and here is a useless data, and my F drive is full. You can see here my F drive has 0% space, free space is 60 MB, and my G drive is 100%. So I am going to merge G drive with F drive. For that I have to format and delete this partition. Right click and delete volume. It is saying the all data will be erased if you delete this volume. So we don't care about this. So we will click on yes. Now you can see this unallocated space of 59 GB. So now we will click on F, right click and click option extend volume. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then click on play. Now guys, you can see this. The G partition has gone and F drive is here. Now you can see here guys, I have merged G drive with F drive, and its space has increased 76 GB. Now go to this PC. Now you can see this. Now I will refresh. Now you can see this, it has merged and its space has increased. Hope so guys you have learned this technique. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.